Oh, now I'm just hurt. Like, oh, like, how am I gonna get my followers back? How am I gonna get my account back? And people are thinking, "Oh, I'm a human trafficking." Mara, like, yo, guys, my name is being dragged here. I saw there was a video nyana ba re, Kiyosia. But do you understand the amounts of videos that are there about me? You know that I'm the one that's getting dragged the most on social media because of this thing. Do you understand? Yo, like, I can't
Yes,
even defend myself. Like, I get a platform. Oh. If I talk on IG, they're gonna be like, yeah, Emilian, we're gonna block you here also, we're gonna ban you here also. No one wants to listen. And what are you doing about that, Sia?
Mama, I sympathize with you.
2.8
Ngiyakuzwa ma.
million, yes, Sia.
And kusentsho sanganzima ma. Ngazi kakhulu. Ngazi kakhulu ma. And into engishoyo ma ukuthi ngiyazama. Ngalokho okuncane nginakho ngiyazama ma. Akusi mina mama. It's not because I wanted this to happen to any of us. Mama, I'm trying my best to engage the people who can at least put out some high level of truth so that the actual people who are coming for all of us can maybe bend down and stop doing this. Because for me, it's the community that's attacking the influencers and the community that's believing narrative of human trafficking that's not real. So I'm trying my best to get someone who will listen to them because we've tried 5 ways and no one's trying to listen.
Manaka?
I really sympathize with you, Sima. I'm very sorry. I feel bad for you guys and the ones whose accounts got deactivated. I hope I'm not next, but I'm really, really sorry. I don't know what that feels like. I don't want to know it. It's tough. I get that. I believe you. And I don't think it's fair. And the thing is,
And
like,
reputation,
yeah. I think a reputation is harder to build than an account at the end of the day. And like I mentioned before, like, even if this blows over and even if the government releases a statement that, guys, it was all fake, we will always be...
Why would an entire embassy lie and say there's no human trafficking?
Because I've been scammed by you. I won't talk about that now because it's not about that. Sima has worked her ass off, bro. Gaining, she was almost on 3 million TikToks, bro. That's a livelihood. That's all she has.
I would 2.8 million.
Okay.
Yo, 2.8 million, Sia.
Actually, it actually comes to how they were operating. So wait.
Mama,
So remember, wait, hold on.
Because at the end of the day, we can't sit here and just talk about problems. We got to talk about solutions because izinto zabantu ziwile.
So yeah, man, you guys, people are dragging Osima after ekhala ukuthi i-TikTok account yakhe yabanwa after this whole ala Buka Start program account kaSima, I think neka Sayen Buji abanwa, you guys, on TikTok. And these girls, they're influencers and bane large following, bane following ngempela eningi. So ke account wabo njengoba ebheniwe because of this ala Buka Start thing. Okay, bayakhala especially uSima njengoba simbona behleli laphana ke no Mark G and the crew ukhona uZile Wheezy kukhona ke the Sia guy. I think kuthiwa nguSiya Mhlungu ongena bamsola kakhulu when it comes to this wall. Angazi nguye mhlawumbe organize ama influencers ukuthi then bona bese beya promote whatever their trips to Russia to what this Siya Mhlungu guy ohleli laphana nabo MacG no Saul. And then also Umunaka was also there on that particular clip, as you can see. I don't see who is the first guy sitting next to Sima angapha ngasekuqaleni. So yeah, I mean, ube trend ake uSima for crying ekhaleni ukuthi uluze i-TikTok account yakhe ebina over 2 million followers. Abantu bamdrekisha on Twitter, online, let's say nje, but hayibo wasukhala wena wakhalela ama followers wakho your TikTok account. Uthini ngabantwana enibarobhile bayolenda le eRussia besitshela ukuthi mhlambe bayofike befundele lokhu besebenzele imisebenzi ethile kanti akunjalo bazodilisha nama drones ezimpi zaseRussia neUkraine. Angazi ukuthi akwenziwani ngale scary noma kukhulunywa ngeRussia neUkraine lawo mazwe amabili nje when it comes to izimpi, you know what I mean. So ukuthi hayi konke lokho abakutshela usukungekhona uma befika ngale kufika kube with kesinye nje story esi different. But sibonile abanye abantwana abangale ngaseRussia bezama ukusitshela ngama-video ukuthi hayibo siseRussia thina yonke into right and you know justice for Sima, justice for Sayena. Abantu bathi ha nina amangeno mhlambe nitsheliwe kwathiwa you will do these videos and pretend like everything is okay. Tell your people back in Africa that yonke into right. You can never know, you guys. Sibonile benza ama-video nje bethi ayi ba right yonke into ekhulunywayo akuyona bona ba right abazi angazi, but this whole alapuka thing kuthiwa hayi it's a scam, man, you know what I mean. So bekhala lapha noSima ekhalela ke TikTok account yakhe nkosi yami. I think she losing all those followers. Ngiyakuzwela nami girl, but you know what, but people are like, ha sis njani ungakhalela ama followers, ungakhalela TikTok account, what about abantwana babantu abastuck ngale entweni bede bengayilandanga lokho, because you fooled them into going there. So now ukhona the not good looking Sima was spotted bawling her eyes out after losing a chunk of followers as if the world had just ended. She cried harder on Instagram states than some people do at funerals, proving once again that clout is a true oxygen. If followers were currency, she'd be filing for bankruptcy right now. Ngomunye guys bebemdrekisha abantu khona ethi I don't blame Sima for crying over losing a 2.8 million followers account on TikTok. Losing an account hurts, you guys. Khona at least ozwelana naye. Omunye wasethi losing an account is nothing, losing a loved one because of Sima is life altering. Hi, isibone komunye Sima lost 2.8 million followers on TikTok immediately when her account was suspended, and she cried about it. She didn't care at all about the number of vulnerable girls that could have been gone forever due to human trafficking network she is involved in. Hi, the fact that Sima is crying, it pains me. It's not easy to build your brand. Let's forgive her, guys. At least abanye bayamzwela. So yamin poor Sima ukhalile bafethu, but sesizothini ngathi bebengazi ukuthi kukhona umshikashika ngale Russian alapuka start angazi. Nangomunye after everything that is happening, Sima is only worried about her TikTok account. Sure, bayamdrekisha abaningi, you guys. Angeke maningi ama-tweets lana on Twitter bemdrekisha nje abantu bethi isibindi sokukhalela your TikTok account wena abantwana babantu bengale bengasazi ukuthi benzeni, because you guys fooled them ngale Russian alapuka start yenu na uhola ke imali, because these influencers obviously they do this, they promote, they get paid. Ingane zabantu za-apply zahamba zafika le nakya hayi sokungokunye akuseyikhona lokho ade bekulandile. So iyona into ekhulunywayo ukuthi human trafficking ntontoni yonke lento eyenzeka lapha ngase alapuka start. Hayi angazi ukuthi uzofika ufundele lokho, ukhona bethi ufundele ukuba uchef, ukhona angazi uqinisele lingakanani. Abanye bathi mhlambe zisuke ziphoqiwe lezi yangane ukuthi you guys are gonna make videos and pretend like you are okay. We don't know, but bona bazokhala bethi guys right asiphoqiwe futhi nje yonke lento ekhulunywa wrong. So angazi man. So kuningi nje lapha na you guys about Sima and the other influencers also abozile included. I do not know this Siya Mhlungu guy. Nguye organize everything else. I can see MacG blaming him lapana. Uyasho ukuthi wangiscam ke mina kodwa sizothi ukuyikhuluma leyo ndaba leyo. Kodwa manje sikhulumeni ke ngiyabo Sima. Imagine mntana abantu losing all this for MacG khulumela isebenzi sakhe. Remember phela uSima usebenza ka MacG, you guys. So yeah. Kuningi nje lapha kodwa ke abantu abayithandisisi into yakhe ukuthi akhalele uTikTok account wakhe, but hayi girl cabangela ingane zabantu kuthiwa zingale yini nazihambisa manje nguwe lo ukhalela iTikTok account ebheniwe. Hayi mhlambe bazo-unbana bafowethu angazi. Hayi kuningi nje. Ishuvo la ka comment section, ulike, subscribe, share bese siyabona lokho ezayo. Bye.